Alright, let's go! Whoa, whoa. Kiss? God, it's me! Seatbelt secured. Also, I saw a trick to put a bonnet on your thing. No one cares. Right, let's go! So sorry for looking so pretty tonight. Johnny! Get in the back! Oh my god! Oh my goodness me! Oh! Yeah, don't do that again. You actually can't even make it up. Like, the one place area that I want to go to, the car park is closed. Alright then. So I'm going to try and find a random place to park now. Okay, we can do this. Charlie's been crying the whole way. I might cry. No, 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 no. I'm sorry, but why is there a whole crater in the road? Do you know what? I actually might just go home. This is not. No, no, it's not even funny. I think I've just entered someone's farm. What am I doing? I can't even turn around. I'm not going to the farm because I'm too embarrassed. I'm gonna have to think of a backup plan. There it is. Calm and collected, everyone. There we go. Right, I'm gonna have a 5-minute calm down because I'm angry. Right, I'm gonna have my lunch now before I get even more hungry. So I got a homemade sandwich, a kiwi, and some nuts.
So
I'm happy though. At least it's good.
Am I allowed to drive up here? It's like got a trail sign, but it's a road. Oh, do you know what? Knowing me, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna do it. I'm going and I don't care anymore. I need to get to my waterfall. They need to fix these roads because this is actually ridiculous. Oh. I don't know if I'm supposed to be driving down here. I don't think I am. Oh no, what have I done? No, it's not even funny. I'm not supposed to be down here. I think I'm driving down a footpath. Oh, help me! Yeah. No, this actually isn't even funny at this point. Nah, because I'm actually driving down a footpath. No, look, it's a road. No, it has to be. It's telling me to turn left. Alright. Oh, it's telling me to turn left, is it? Nah. Where am I? No, nothing's working because I have no signal. You actually can't make this up. I'm going home. I've had enough. I've actually had enough. I'm going home. I've literally just wasted my whole day now. Right, I'm literally just driving in the woods. I'm just driving in the woods. Oh, this is nice.
We weren't supposed to come aboard. with something this clean. You know, like something happened.
Hey! What a parking spot. I literally have no idea where I am, but we're just gonna go into this random forest. There's no one here because I can't be dealing with people right now. Going into this random forest. Do you know what I hope I don't see is like a den or a tent, because that freaks me out. Oh. This forest is a bit creepy, I can't lie. Oh, look at it though. Look at all these trees. Like they're all just so straight and tall. Hey, someone's had a sesh. Oh, on the monsters. Oh, I bet you they went wild. I'm not feeling this hike at all now. It's just not for me. It's just a bit creepy. I actually think we should go home because, I don't know, I'm getting really off vibes. Wait, are these trees planted by humans? Because how is that in such a straight line? Surely. Like they're all in perfect straight lines. Nah, I don't like this forest, man. Ooh. Hey. I might turn around. Charlie, I do apologise, but I'm going to turn around. I just think too many things have gone wrong today. I'm not risking it. I actually can't. I know Charlie's fuming at me right now. No, I'm fuming. I'm not being funny. I've driven 2 hours. I've literally... Nah. I don't know, you know when you just get those off vibes? Oh my god, I'm in a swamp. Help. I just think it's time to go home. Oh no, because I could actually like fight someone. I'm so fed up of today. Hey, I'm gonna go to the gym and take it out on the weight. That's what I'll do. Fuming. I'm sorry, but that forest was not it. I actually think I should just go home because at this rate, if I just try and go to new places, I'm going to end up having to go home at rush hour and then get stuck in traffic, which is going to make me even more angry. So I'm going to go home now. I've made the decision to go home. The lessons learnt is don't drive an hour to a place unless you know for definite, you know exactly where the parking is, you know exactly what the parking situation is. Right, I will have a good hike next week or soon to make up for this. I will. Charlie, I'm sorry.